Hello, everyone. Hope you are doing very good on this Sunday. And today it's gonna be a great day today because I have a 15-year-old boy with me, Aditya, and as I promised, uh, I'm gonna have Aditya decode how you can make effective presentations through AI. That's one of the bonus topics we are going to discuss today. But overall, we are going to touch base on AI, how AI is going to help you out day in, day out, how it would help you out in growing your business, managing your content management, sales, presentations, probably curating your video scripts, everything, whatever you need. And AI is a buzzword, and I know a lot of people are worried AI is going to take their job off. Rather, I would say if you know how to work with AI, you would be able to serve more, you would be able to get more opportunities, and you would be able to lock more growth for your business. If you're working in a corporate space, you will be able to have more edge. If you are an agency a founder, you will be able to grab more clients, and you will be able to give the results for your clients. So AI is definitely going to stay for a longer period of time. It's all about how you would harness AI, how you would be able to capitalize AI to your advantage, and that is something we are going to teach in today. And that is why we kept this live session as dominate the world with AI. Now, before we go into certain tools, I definitely wanted to give you a brief overview about AI. Now, what is AI? AI is artificial intelligence. It's one of the field of computer science where it focuses on machines to work on uh, intellectual or human tasks where you don't need the human intervention. You may need, but you don't need the complete human intervention. So that is the whole task of automating or working on working on an artificial set of things. Now there are four types of AI. uh, you have the first type is reactive machines. The second type is limited memory. The third type is theory of mind. And the last type is self aware. Now, these are categorized into two categories. Either it is a narrow AI, uh, which is exclusive like a virtual assistants or recommendation engines, or it is a general AI where it creates an hypothetical performance where a lot of intellectual tasks gets performed by human uh, or people who involve in research work. So this is a general information I definitely wanted to give about AI. Now, AI, the moment we speak about AI, a lot many people refer to Chat GPT. The reason because that's that's the tool which became a buzzword. Now, Chat GPT released its model in it's a generative model where you input certain aspects, it will give you based on the prompt, it will give you the output. So it was released in 2022. It was developed by OpenAI, and it became so popular that today the entire world depends on this tool. Now, post ChatGPT, there are other tools which got released in a similar fashion. A popular tools called Perplexity. Microsoft released Copilot. Then you have Google's Gemini. Then we have DeepSeek. We have certain other tools, and all the tools have different language model, but more or less they are the same type of a generative AI, where you insert some prompt, you get certain output. Now let's get on to a chat gpt tool and understand how it would help you out in day-to-day function. It could be content management, it could be a sales management, it could be um, curating your video scripts, or it could be an email, it could be a cold email, it could be something which you do day in day out, and how ChatGPT could help you out. Now, due to time restrictions, I'm not going to other tools like Claude, Perplexity, Copilot, and other things. With a limited amount of time, I'm only focusing on certain important tools which will help you out. But if you need more detailed kind of a thing, I would definitely do an advanced a workshop. Look out for um, uh, the update on the advanced workshop. But in case if you need my personal attention or my partner's personal attention, where you want our assistance in working out on your specialized task, feel free to connect with us. You have our calendar meeting link in the description, so look out for that, and feel free to connect with us. Okay, so I will share you the chat gpt thing. Okay, now when you click on chat gpt, it will ask you to log in. You can log in with your Google credentials, and once you get on to the chat gpt window, you would be able to see a dashboard like this. Now this is where it's a prompt window. You can also, if you have any document for reference, you can, so for an example, you can upload the document. If you have any website for reference, you want to project that website and give a prompt, you can insert that. But right now I'm giving a blank prompt which gives certain output. Okay, let's start with, okay, you want to write a cold DM to your client. You want to acquire a new client, or you want to connect with a new client. You want to connect with them, write them a cold DM. Cold DM means direct message. Uh, you want to do an outreach to them, and you want to get uh, a connection. You wanted to network with them, wanted to introduce yourself. So, how to write that letter? I mean, normally, if you need to write, you need to spend some amount of time. You need to understand um, the overall context. But in case if you are able to understand the requirement, and if you can convert that requirement into a prompt, ChatGPT can give you within a minute. Okay. Now, how you would be able to do it, I'll show you. Now, write down a prompt. Please write me a cold DM for a client which we would like to network and propose our offering. This message shouldn't be a sales. because you don't want to do a sales pitch kind of a thing. You just wanted to connect with them. Okay, so here is the prompt. I mean, just keep your prompt as um, explanatory so that chat gpt understands your requirement very well, and keep it, I mean, whatever you would like to explain, and it will analyze your requirement. It will, based on your requirement, it will give you the output. I have written it down like, please write me a cold DM for a client which we would like to network and propose our offering. This message shouldn't be a salesy and it should have human touch. Please also introduce me as Sushant L. Ram, founder of FNDK Amplifiers Private Limited. Cold DM should be powerful and concise. Okay. See, less than a minute. Exploring synergies from one builder to another. Hi, I'm Sushant L. Ram, founder of FNDK Amplifiers Private Limited. I came across your work recently and felt compelled to reach out, not with a pitch, but with a genuine curiosity and appreciation. At FNDK, we are passionate about enabling leaders and organizations to scale impact through accountability, storytelling, and digital amplifications. I believe there could be some exciting synergy between what you are building and the work we do. Would love to connect for a short conversation, no strings, just an exchange of ideas and possibilities. Warm regards, Sushant L. Ram, founder of FNDK Amplifiers Private Limited. You can put your LinkedIn and contact info. See, within a minute, the moment you put your input, it gives you the effective output. Now, if I need to write the same kind of an email, I mean, of course, if you have time, that's okay. But if you are employing someone, it's going to cost you something. So if you are a startup, if you are a founder, if you're starting an agency and trying to connect for more clients, if you are able to understand how to work with AI tools, you are having a gold mine beside you. You just need to capitalize it. Okay. Now let's type a blog. Okay. How ChatGPT can help you writing a blog. Powerful blog with viral hashtags and SEO. SEO is search engine optimized compliant blog, because if it is an SEO, your page will be appearing in the first page. You always want to be listed in the first page or max second page so that people are able to spot you. SEO compliant blog on the topic future of AI and how AI is going to help the digital economy. subject line should catch. Okay, so my prompt is please help me write. Please help me uh, write a powerful blog with viral hashtags and SEO compliant blog on the topic future of AI and how AI is going to help the digital economy. Also ensure we have good quotes in between the blog to engage the audience. Subject line should be catchy. Okay. Now I'm giving the prompt. That's it. Within a minute, your blog is there. The future of AI fueling the next digital economy boom. AI is not just a tool, it's the engine of tomorrow's economy. Okay. And you have something, then rise of AI in digital landscape. The companies that harness AI today will lead the digital economy to tomorrow. Satya Nadella. AI is revolutionizing customer experiences, smarter business decision, automation is boosting, AI is driving inclusivity, what the future holds, final thought, join the conversation, and you have some good hashtags which you can put that across in your blog, and boom, your blog is going to become more viral. Okay, so this is how hardly it took me a minute, guys. It all depends on how you are able to use your requirement and get the output. Now let's look at another aspect. Okay, we have given an email cold DM. I've given something about blog. Now let's do something on post. Please write me a powerful post on the about topic for LinkedIn and Facebook. It should have catchy hook to engage the audience. Okay, so please write me a powerful post on the about topic for LinkedIn and Facebook. It should have catchy hook to engage the audience. Okay, boom. See, what if I told you AI is not coming for your job? It's coming for your excuses. See, it has given it. In case if you need any new thing, you can regenerate. You can switch the model. You can regenerate thing. So this is how it is so powerful. You can adapt to your strength, and you can get the best result. Okay, now we have written post, we have written a blog, we have written a DM. Now what we can do, we can ask, please help me how to write me an ad copy for Facebook in compliance to the meta ad rules on the about topic. I'm just using the same topic, but you can change the topic based on your requirement. On the about topic with interest, keywords, and with a methodology of problem, agitate, and solution approach. Okay. Now, why I'm using problem, agitate, and solution approaches? It will bifurcate into a problem. It will agitate for a brainstorm for solution and give you a solution. That is a powerful way of depicting an ad copy in Facebook, which will create, which will get you um, more views and more conversions and more traffic. Okay, so boom. See, still doing everything manually in your digital business, you are not alone. Millions of professionals are overwhelmed. See, guys, you are able to save so much of money on the table. I mean, your consultants or some of the agencies charge you this, charge you a good amount of money. Or if you are an agency founder, don't tell your client that you are researching, you are putting your I mean, of course, you don't need to copy completely. You can use this, you can refine it, but still able to solve so many things, and you will be able to serve more clients rather than taking hours together to serve two clients. You can serve now probably 10-15 clients, which will multiply your growth, multiply your revenues. Okay, so this is how you can make a ad copy. So we have got a ad copy, we've got a post, we've got a blog, you've got a DM. Now what? You can do something on a video scripting. Okay, now please write me a video script for the about topic. Need to create a video for YouTube. Boom. See, intro. What do you need to talk about? Hook. Then problem. Then agitate. Then solution. Vision. That's it. Call to action. And hashtags for your YouTube. See, guys, I mean, you just need to know how to work with ChatGPT, work with AI. You will, I'm saying 2025 is a year to capitalize. This is a year, this is the AI economy. You have to capitalize. If you know very well, absolutely, you can make, I mean, you can make a big amount or a big money which is sitting on the table. Okay, now, so I've shown you how you can utilize ChatGPT for content management, video scripting, blogs, um, ad copies. So I've given you how you can you can get the output, or you can, based on your requirement, put the prompt and you can get the output. Okay, now I will show how you can get a high quality animated pictures through AI. Okay, 1 minute. See, the tool is Leonardo.ai. It is Leonardo, Leonardo.ai. When you go to Leonardo.ai, you will have an option called login to the app. Once you log into the app, it will ask for your Google credential. You can log in through your Google credential. Okay. Now, the moment you come to the Leonardo AI app or the tool, everyone gets 150 credits per month. I mean, it's a free plan. Okay. You can go for a paid plan also, but no necessary. It's a free free tool. You will get images for free of cost. See, when you scroll down, you will see a lot of animated pictures. These are super high quality pictures. You can use it for your Instagram. You can put that, you can get more attention. um, I mean, there are super cool pictures kind of a thing. See, for an example, you can put through a prompt also. I'll try to do that one. Okay, please get me a picture of sea where I'm giving a basic prompt. You can put any prompt. Okay, now you can select over here image dimensions. You can select for Instagram 2.3. You can select 1:1 for Facebook. uh, if you want to post in any other platform, you can select this 8:16:9, but I will go for 1:1. Okay, now number of images you can limit to 2. You can select 4, um, which is a standard one. Okay, it takes a little bit of a time, but it gives you a good high quality pictures. See, boom. See with the sunrise. You can take any picture. Click on the download option. You will be able to download that picture. Okay. In case if you don't need a prompt, uh, you just want to go for an animated pictures. You have a lot of pictures over here. You can go for the animal section. You will get a lot of animals as a animated picture, and you can post that. These are all premium pictures. It grabs a lot of attention. It works out good for Instagram, and it gets you a lot of attention, gets you a lot of traffic. So you can utilize this. You can import this picture into a Canva and re-edit it and post that in your Instagram. That can also happen. Okay, so I've shown you how AI can be capitalized for your content, for your video scripting, for your blog, for your post, for your ad copy, for your cold DMs. I have also shown you AI can be used for your high quality picture management, how you can generate pictures. Okay. Now what? How AI can bring you sales, how it can get you leads free of cost. You want to see it? Let's go for it. Okay, go to Google, type any niche where you would like to target and attract leads. Let's assume you're targeting life coaches. Okay, just press enter. You will find option called tools. Click on tools. Then you will find an option called advanced search. Click on advanced search. Then in the space which mention this exact word or phrase, you type in @gmail.com and type enter. Okay. Now what you need to do is copy this page, go to ChatGPT. In the ChatGPT prompt window, type in, please format the data into first name, last name, mobile number, and email address, and format the data into CSV file. Okay, and then paste it, and then click on the prompt. Maybe it hasn't taken in. You can type in one more time. See, done. Your data has been formatted. You can download your file. So this way, you will be able to download the data and you will be able to connect with the client, send them the cold DM, and connect with them and have a conversation, and then try to influence them with your services and acquire the client. This is how you will be able to acquire B2B or B2C. Okay. So I have shown you today how ChatGPT helps you out in your content, video scripting, blogs, posts, cold DMs, ad copies. Then I showed you another tool called Leonardo.ai, which helps you out in getting high quality images. Then I gave you a combination how to scrape data from Google search and input the same data in ChatGPT and convert into a CSV format and connect with B2B clients to acquire those clients. Okay, so these were the three important things I definitely wanted to cover during this live stream. Now, I also promised you that I will do a bonus thing, which is I will show you a tool through which you will be able to create high pitch presentations which will be effective, which will be high catching, which will give you a, a big edge in the market. So let's not waste more time. Let's get on to that tool also. But before that, I also wanted to introduce Aditya, who, who actually decoded this tool. I mean, worked with this tool to work on presentations. Now he's only 15-year-old guy, and he has used this tool to a greater extent to give a lot of presentations, and that too presentations to CEOs and founders. Imagine a 15-year-old guy is using AI tool to make presentations. Absolutely, it means like you can. Everyone has that same opportunity and platform and space to utilize the tool. So over to Aditya. Glad to have you on the live stream and being part of the live stream to explain about Gamma AI tool. Just wanted to ask few questions, Aditya.
Yes, yes, sure.
Yeah. Now, how did you know about this tool? What was your I just wanted to understand your curiosity of to understand this tool and to know about this tool.
So basically, I was working on my school IT project. IT is information technology. So there, I got a task to create five presentations in which the formatting should be very proper. So
Hmm.
I researched that is there any AI tool which can generate presentations by just giving a prompt.
Hmm.
So when I was doing a research on this, so my
Hmm.
brother came with an idea that you can use Gamma AI.
Wow. How old is he?
He is currently 13.
13-year-old guy referred you about the tool. Pretty interesting. Yeah. Mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
So,
yes, so he told me that to use this tool to generate AI-based presentations, and I used that tool, and I completed my school project in just 10 minutes.
wow. So it was a big project, and this project got completed within 10 minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, did your friends or your peers know about this tool?
Yes, yes, they know about that.
Okay. Okay. But they did not utilize this tool, but you were the first to use this
Yeah,
tool.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. See, guys, I mean, it's an interesting point. So Aditya and Aditya's friends know about this tool, but Aditya utilized this tool. So what it gives an important message is everyone knows about ChatGPT, everyone knows about some of the AI tools, but we don't utilize it. Unless you utilize it, you will not be able to project, or you will not have that value proposition or edge in the market. So it's very critical that you learn the tool and you use the tool. Even though you make some mistakes, that's perfectly okay, but you should use the tool. Yep. Very interesting, Aditya. Uh, so you made this presentation, and you made this presentation in 10 minutes. When you presented this to founders or the CEOs, what was the first question or reaction? Because a I know about this tool, and this tool gives you a very good high quality images and presentation. People obviously will get inspired, or they will definitely appreciate. So what was their first reaction?
So first reaction was there like they asked that from where have you which tool have you used to make this PPT, because
Hmm.
they were very impressed with the
Hmm.
way the presentation is formatted and the way it is like how is it
Hmm.
presented. So
Hmm. Hmm.
that was the
Hmm.
first question: which AI tool have you used?
Hmm.
Because they
Hmm.
already got to know that this is AI generated one by
Hmm.
looking at the
Hmm.
high quality images.
Hmm. 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 Good, 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 good. And post, they appreciated you, and they were impressed. Were you able to refer the same tool to some of your other friends, and you narrated your experience?
Yes, yes. So when we went for this program, they
Hmm.
actually asked me that can you like told them this tool, about this tool to them, and they also used it for their presentations.
Mm, mm. So, if you don't mind, would you like to show the audience how to use the Gamma AI tool?
Yes, I can show you. I
Yeah,
just share my screen.
yeah.
Okay, wait a second. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yes. So this is the Gamma AI website I have opened. So firstly, we have to click on this generate option. Okay. Then here you have to give a prompt that for which topic you want to create a presentation. For
Mm,
example, you want to create a presentation on the revolutionize technology.
Aditya, I think your screen is frozen. I think there is some technical difficulty with Aditya's system, and that's why we have this. Uh, Sorry for the inconvenience, but I can show you the tool. Uh, just give me a minute. Let me. Okay. So this is a Gamma AI tool where uh, you can log in through your Google credentials, and once you come to this tool, you can click on Create New. Okay, you can generate a new presentation. Click on Continue and click on Presentation. Maybe select. I'm selecting two or three slides. You can select up to 10 slides, but I'm selecting two slides because I do have a less credits. I'm selecting two slides. Can you make a powerful presentation on the AI and future of AI? Okay, make high quality images. Okay, click on. You can put as descriptive as possible for your presentation and click on generate outline. See, I'm losing my credits. Okay, you can select the theme. You can select a white theme, dark theme, normal theme. I'll go for dark, or I'll go for this one. Okay, you can select the image source, the uh, web images, illustration, animated GIFs, image placeholders. I'm just selecting animated GIF. Okay, now generate. Boom. See, Okay, so this is the presentation. It has given an animated images. You can click the three dots over here, and you can click on export. You can export it to PDF, you can export it to PowerPoint, or you can export it to a Google Slides. I'll export as a PowerPoint. That's it. Presentation is ready. Click on home. You will go back. You can work on. You will find your presentation in the gallery section. You'll be able to download over there also. Click on this three dot, and you can download. Okay. So this is how uh, you'll be able to make high quality presentation through a AI tool, and the tool name is Gamma AI. Okay, so so we covered three important aspects. The first section we covered Chat GPT. We gave host of prompts uh, through which we got blogs, we got posts, we got cold DMs, we got video scripts, and we got ad copies. Then we gave prompt to get high quality images through Leonardo AI. Then through a combination of tools, which is Google Advanced Research um, and through uh, and through ChatGPT, we got sales. I mean, the leads, B2B leads to acquire clients. Then we showed you the Gamma AI tool to make presentation. Uh, we have Aditya back on the call. Um,
So actually, I'm really sorry that light went in my society, so
no
that's why I
problem,
got.
no problem, no problem, Aditya. I showed them quickly about how to make a presentation, uh, but you can explain in case if you want to
Yes,
explain. Explain. I mean, I
I
definitely
just
want to.
yes, sir. I just shared my screen. Yes, sir. Upshar, is the screen visible to you?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is the Gamma AI tool. Yeah. So I'm just signing up to use this feature. Sir, can you wait for 1 minute? There's some lag actually. I just said fix this
No
thing.
problem. No problem.
Yes, sir. But surely I will explain to everyone. Yes, just a second. It's about to. Yeah, now I can share. Actually, there was some lag. I fixed it out now. Yeah. Sir, is the screen visible to you?
Yes, yes.
So yeah. So using this tool, we can create high quality based presentations. So I will show you how it works. So firstly, you have to go on create new. After that, you can, if you want to create a AI based presentation, you can go for this option generate. After that, you can give the prompt like for what topic you want to make a presentation. For example, my topic, I want to make presentation of how AI can increase the economy of our country, India. So this is the topic, and now I will click generate outline. It's correct. Yeah. So here's you can see it how these slides have been created, and you can see it. So this is the first slide: AI powering India's economic transformation, and it will tell how AI is useful in increasing the or transforming the economy of India. So it's telling about how AI is helpful in economic sectors, how it can use in various fields: agriculture, healthcare, education, manufacturing, financial services. And next is productivity and innovation. Like what will happen like in the future using the AI, like up to 46% productivity gains in banking by 2030. AI expected to generate 40 million new jobs by 2030. That's a extremely good news for our nation. Next is workforce and skill development, critical need for AI ready workforce. Like why we should invest in AI. That's what that's what is been like it has been explained in this slide. Next is technological infrastructure.
Mhm,
Basically the how AI has been like it explains the structure of an AI infrastructure,
mhm,
no, like investments in digital infrastructure, 5G network expansion, data center development, AI specific computing resources, creating robust innovation ecosystem. So this is all the infrastructure. This is all about the infrastructure. Next is what can be the challenges and challenges most probably like using AI.
mhm,
So first is addressing AI reliability concerns. Like if we keep relying on AI for our for to increase our economy, but it you never know that it will succeed or fail. So
mhm.
that's a big challenge. Second is developing regulatory frameworks. Third, balancing technological advancement with job preservation. And last is ensuring inclusive AI adoption. So this was all about the challenges and opportunities. So, and the last is the road ahead for India, positioning as a global AI innovation hub, leveraging demographic dividend, strategic national AI strategy, potential to become a world leader in AI integration. So, this was it. And if you want to change the format or you want to change the background color, you can just also give a prompt about that, and it will change. I'll just show you how it can change. So this was the topic, and you can just tell him and apply colorful background for all these slides, and it will generate. Yeah, so you can see the difference that wait, that in these 1 to 3, the color font is like the color which they have used is same, and when we go down like after 4, then the color I think is changing. So this this is also a good feature you can use. And now they have created a new PPT, like the using its innovation, they have made a new PPT but for the same topic. So this is also they have told about how AI can increase or transform our economy into digital one. So yeah, like this. So this was my experience with this Gamma
Yeah,
AI.
when you generate it, can you show the entire PPT how it gets generated? Can you show
Yeah, yeah.
the
Okay.
audience?
Yeah. So you want me to show like to generate again?
No, no. Click on the generate.
Or this one you
It,
mean? Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Like
Oh, your credits are
yeah.
probably out.
That's
Yeah.
yeah, that's why I was showing the outline.
Sure.
Like
Sure.
if you go if you go for the presentation part, the generate effect list,
Yes. 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 I know.
automatically it will apply.
If you have credits, you will be.
Yeah,
So,
yeah,
guys, I mean, you normally get 300 credits when you log in, and it deducts probably 5 credits per slide. So, in case if you are if you are making 10 slides or standard 8 slides, it deducts 40 credits. um, I and Aditya, we have done so many presentations, so our credits are lost. So, but I mean, you can go for a paid plan also.
yeah, yeah.
It gives
I will
you the
definitely go for it.
it gives you some credits, and if you are able to load the credits, you will be able to export the presentation. But nevertheless, I showed the audience, Aditya, I showed the audience about how to create the presentation with some limited credits with me.
Yeah,
So
but it's good for, like I told the
yeah.
audience, that how we can generate AI based
Hmm.
presentations
Hmm.
with quick instant.
Yes, yes. So, guys, I mean, if you want to make a good presentation and you're looking for a good images, then you should look out for gamma.ai, explore that, get some presentations, good presentations, present it to your investors, stakeholders, and come back to us and share
Uh,
your experience.
sir,
Definitely, we would like to hear out your experience. Yeah, yeah, Aditya.
but there will be one problem, that if we human beings share these PPTs to our investors or like that, but they will get to know by 1 second that this is AI generated. So how we can?
So once you get this presentation, you might need to fine tune. You might need to refine.
Yes.
You might need to insert some of your aspects, and you can't just blindly give the same presentation. But
Yeah.
it will save your time. It will give you a good images. It will give you good outline, good out context. But it will save your time rather than sitting for 8 9 hours making a presentation. You can make it within maybe 10 minutes. You can generate the AI content and then put down maybe like 1 1.5 hour and still make a effective presentation with a limited amount of time. So that is how AI is going to help you out. Okay. So great, guys. We have shown you all the tools which are necessary for you to manage your clients, manage your task, uh, be productive, and dominate the world. Okay, so it's been great. Thank you so much for taking time out on Sunday evening and watching our channel and getting to know about how AI can help you out. Thank you so much, Aditya, for joining in.
You're
So
welcome, bro.
inspiring that at the age of 15 you are able to utilize AI to a greater extent. Great. I wish you all the very best. And
Thank you.
to all my subscribers, audience, thank you so much. Thanks for your support. It means a lot. We will come up with more advanced sessions on AI because with a limited amount of time, we were able to show you some important tools. But definitely, we will do some advanced sessions. Watch out for our updates and look forward to connect with you again. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.